this kind of an animation where we can actually provide a very good view of all the objects which we want to show into our presentation. It's just kind of a crazy kind of an effect which we can provide to where we can drag our audience to the places we want them to focus and then get back them on our main site. So let's start. So in this I will take a simple. I have taken one. Now I have taken this kind of an image where which I have placed on totally on the whole PPT deck. You can actually download this kind of an images from Google. I have downloaded it from the Google. Now what we have to do, we have to focus one part on this part, other part on here to the gallery. When we are talking about the gallery, we have to show gallery. When we are talking about the chair and table, chair table, then this chair, a sofa set kind of a chair, and then the lights, the bed lights and all, and at the same time a bed sofa. So and we want the audience attention to particular that area. So if we normally do, then what we will do, will be doing just we will do this kind, and then what we will be doing, um, we will increase the size of this, increase the size to us. So increase the size. Here you can actually, in this part you can actually see what is going to be seen on the slide, on the presentation view. So currently here we are seeing that it will be showing some chair and all. We can actually reduce it more, and we'll try to have this. We just want this chair to be visible, not more than that. Mm, yeah. Now after that, just duplicate this slide. Now in this slide, just move this total part to area which you want to focus. Now I want to focus on gallery, so just I will take it on gallery. This gallery part is done. Then we can actually increase more, and this is the gallery part. I think we should not increase. Yeah, this is much better. Now again duplicate it. Now move it to the sofa point. This we want to show. This is the sofa where it will be. Now again duplicate this. Go to the lights which we want to show. Here you can actually see where we are placing it. So these lights, and then we want to have this sofa to be highlighted in our presentation. So you can see here this is there. Now if we just normally do it in the presentation format, so let's see how it will be looking at. So it's like a simple images are clicked and placed like a thing. But what we can do actually, we can actually just copy this slide again, Control C, and we'll put it down at the end, Control V. Then just from second select all the slides, and in the insert, into the transitions, go into morph transitions. Now we can actually see a good animation. Let's see. So see how that is moving that to the chair, then to the gallery, then to the sofa, then to the lights, then to the rest sofa, and then back to the total picture. So this way you can actually grab the attention of your audience. At the same time they will be very much interested in seeing each and everything very easily, and they don't have to change their focus. Everything will be on the slide. Hope you have learned this concept. See you in the next video. Thanks.